Hi, I'm Professor Susan DeGize. This tutorial is on Practice 8.6b. Directions. Write melodic intervals above the given note using half notes. Use the empty staff as scratch paper. You can use other shortcuts we have learned for perfect intervals and seconds. Alright, so if you look at the sample here, it asked for a major sixth above C double sharp. First, you want to write in the sixth, so always do the number first. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to temporarily think in C major, because that would be an easy one. So C to A would be a major sixth, therefore C double sharp to A double sharp is a major sixth. So you'll probably need the scratch paper for a number of these. Go ahead and do numbers 1 through 4 on your own, pause the video, and press play when you're ready. Alright, number 1. So you're writing a major third above B sharp, so we can go ahead and write in our third. So maybe what we'll do is down here, we're going to write a major third above B. So we're going to write a third above B, and we're going to say, what is the key signature for B major? That is 5 sharps, F, C, G, D, and A sharp. So B to D sharp is a major third. Now we're raising B to B sharp, so that means we also have to raise D to D double sharp. And there is your major third above B sharp. Alright, so number 2, we're going to do the same thing down here. So instead of A double flat, we're going to start with A. First we're going to write a sixth above A. Now the key of A minor has no sharps or flats, so A to F is a minor sixth. We lowered the A a whole step, or 2 half steps from A to A double flat. So that means we're going to have to lower this F to F double flat. Alright, number 3. We can use a shortcut for this one. So first, a second above E is going to be F. And E sharp is enharmonically equivalent to F. So now we say, what is a half step above F? F sharp. So we can go ahead and add a sharp here. Remember, always write in the note first and then add the accidental. Number 4, we can also use a shortcut for this one. So first we're going to write in a fifth. The notes are D and A. So since it's perfect, they need to match accidentals. So it's A double sharp. Go ahead and do the second row on your own, pause the video, and press play when you're ready. Okay, number 5. So first, let's go ahead and do this down here. You have a F flat, so let's change that to F. And we're going to write a minor third above F. Well, F minor has 4 flats, B, E, A, and D flat, so F to A flat is a minor third. Since we are lowering F to A flat, we're going to lower A flat to A double flat. Alright, number 6, a major sixth above E. So let's go ahead and do this down here. First, a sixth above E is going to be C. The key of E major has 4 sharps, F, C, G, and D, so E to C sharp is a major sixth. We're raising E to E sharp, so we have to raise C to C double sharp, right? Because we have to raise both notes. Number 7. Let's see if we can use the shortcut. We have G to C. The notes are not B to F, so to be a perfect fourth, the accidentals will match. Number 5, a major second above C flat. We know that's going to be D something. So what is enharmonically equivalent to C flat? That would be B. And what is a whole step above B? A whole step above B is C sharp. Now I can't put C sharp here because the answer has to be D something. So that means it's going to be D flat. And number 9, we have a major third above E double flat. So I'm going to rewrite it down here as E flat. What's a major third above E flat? First we write in the third. Well, the key signature of E flat major has 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. So this is a major third from E flat to G. I'm lowering E to E double flat. I'm lowering E flat to E double flat. So I have to lower my G to G flat. So a major third above E double flat is G flat. All right, so go ahead and review section 8.6 if you'd like more practice on writing tricky intervals. You've now completed the tutorial for practice 8.6b. Thank you for watching.